y'all. In today's video, I will be reviewing this 30-inch deep wave curly wig from Asteria hair. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. It is very beautiful and very full all the way down to the bottom of the unit, and the density is 250% density. And also, this is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. The only thing that I did to this unit off camera was apply my lace tint to the lace. I can already tell how beautiful this install is going to be just based off of how nice the lace is. So the first thing I did was cut the air tabs off on both sides of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. This wig is big head friendly and the lace had so much space for adjustment. Now I'm cutting the lace into 3 sections and I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. To lay my lace down, today I'm going in with the Bold Hold Active Lace Glue. And I'm applying 2 layers of that glue for each section for a better and longer hold. I'm using the blow dryer to dry the glue until it is tacky enough for me to lay my lace down. Then I'm gonna go back in with the blow dryer on a cool heat setting and blow dry the lace until it is fully glued down. You want to repeat those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Then I went in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to melt my lace down. I do this step for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now it is time to cut the lace off. I'm going in with my Kiss razor to cut my lace off section by section. I always start with the middle section and then I work my way to the other 2 sides. You really want to take your time with this step and be careful. Make sure you pay attention to the details while cutting. I'm using the Bedhead Masterpiece spray to lay down the front areas of the lace that did not fully glue down the first time. I'm using the tip of this brush because it is thin and it helps me to apply the spray and be very precise when I'm applying it. This will result in a neater install look. Then I went in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. In my opinion, the lace looked really natural and seamless even before the foundation, but adding the foundation just makes it look even more natural. I went back in with the elastic band and my blow dryer on the hot heat setting just so that I can get that extra melted lace look. Although the unit had already came pre-plucked, I decided to go back in with my tweezers to pluck this area just a little bit more to give it that subtle widow's peak look. Now it's time to define these curls. This process is easy, but it will take some time and it is very repetitive as well. So the first thing I'm doing is detangling the curls. I'm just brushing the curls out so that it is easier to go through the hair without any knots and tangles. Then I went in and sprayed the entire section with this Aussie detangling hairspray. Then I took a section of the hair and went in with my misting spray bottle, and I'm spraying a generous amount of water to the hair. Immediately after that, you want to go through the hair with a vent brush, and then I also went in with a hair serum. Lastly, you want to scrunch the hair upwards to give the curls a defined look. And then you just repeat those same exact steps to the other sections. Okay, so now that the hair is fully detangled and styled, now I'm gonna go in with this black cap. This is a wig cap, and I'm also gonna go in with my blow dryer on a hot heat setting and just blow dry the entire top of this wig. This step is definitely optional, but I do this step to flatten down the foundation of my wig without using a hot comb, because I don't really like the hot comb look when it comes to my curly wigs, so I do this instead. I would say if you are to do this step, be very careful. Do not put the blow dryer super duper close to the cap like what I was doing. I don't think that the cap is completely heat safe and it will rip the cap, so just blow dry from a distance. Now I'm going in with my hair diffuser and I'm diffusing different sections of this hair. This will completely dry the curls and give your hair volume. I'm using the Ebin Wig Knots Concealer in the color medium beige to enhance my parting space. Here we have the final look. I really love the outcome of this unit. There is a lot of pros to this unit. The first thing is the hair texture itself. The curls are very beautiful. The curls are consistent throughout, and it takes product very well. I love how seamless and natural this lace is. It did not take a lot for me to blend the lace with my skin tone, and I really love that. Another thing that I really like about this unit is the density. This density is 250% density, and it shows. Even the back of the unit looks very full. It has volume. I just love a good full curly unit. Here's another angle of the wig. The wig even had weight to it. That's how you know it is a good quality curly wig, when it does not feel light and it doesn't have any gaps in it. Overall, the quality of this hair is very good. Not only does it look good, but it feels good as well. It is super soft, and I was able to run my fingers right through it. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how y'all like the unit. Make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.